Hey everyone, today I created this blue and gold sparkle skull makeup look for Halloween. It's like a little glam. And I created it out of nowhere, just on the spot. So if you want to know how to get this look, just keep watching. So starting off, I already have foundation and concealer and I set it. It's an option. I just like to personally do it. And my foundation person is a little lighter than my skin color. Not anything crazy. I'm going to take a white eyeliner and I'm going to draw out what I want on my face. Taking my black cream and my Anastasia lip kit, I'm going to start off with the cheeks. I'm going to trace over the white of where I'm making the depth of my cheekbones, and then I am going to do shading in the inside, going more towards the ears, and everything will eventually fill out and go over. Taking my black eyeshadow from my Serpentina palette, I'm going to trace over the black and I'm going to also blend it out. We're not going to do the whole cheekbone part as black. After this, in the middle portion, we're going to add the blue from the Serpentina palette onto there and make it fade into the black as well. Using my NICKAK New York eyeshadow palette, I'm going to go into a lighter blue and I'm going to apply it with my fingers in the part that is going more towards the lips, and I'm going to blend it also towards the middle. I'm also going to go over the black line with a little bit of the blue just to blend it a little more so it won't be too harsh. Towards the beginning of the cheekbone, going towards the ear, I'm just going to add a little more black to make it a little more deeper and to add a little more of the shading. We're doing the same concept on our other cheek. With our black cream, I'm going to go over the mouth part now. Some of it got cut off, but as you see, it's going to continue. We're also going to trace over our teeth shape with the same cream. Take that light blue eyeshadow and fill in your teeth. Blending out the black cream lines, we're going to take an eyeshadow brush and put black eyeshadow on it, and then we're going to blend it onto each of the lines. Taking a brown eyeshadow, draw a light shadow above the teeth and on the bottom part, on the bottom of the teeth, just to create depth. To make everything on my mouth area settled, I'm going to go over it with setting powder, but then I'm going to bake a little on my chin area just to erase the lines that I drew all the way down to my chin, because I realized I drew them down too far. To contour the rest of my face, I'm going to use the royal blue color eyeshadow from my Serpentina palette, but just don't contour your nose because that is where we're going to draw the skull nostril at. So just contour the rest of your face using that blue. For the skull nostril, I'm going to trace the part that I did on my nose. Taking black eyeshadow, I'm going to fill in the outer portion of the nostril, leaving a little space around the tip area for another color. Once you're done applying all the black, apply the blue onto the middle part of your nostril. I'm going to use the lighter blue shade for my nose part. Taking a liquid liner, I'm going to trace around my eye sockets. taking the black cream, I'm going to fill in the outer portion of the socket. Make sure you leave space on your lid and in the middle of the circle. Using a black eyeshadow, go over the whole black portion of our eye socket. Taking that royal blue eyeshadow, work your way more towards the middle, blending it into the black part, and then for our eyelid and for the rest of our eye portion, I'm going to apply the light blue in it. And then I'm going to go back and forth to shade everything and blend it together. Now apply mascara to your top and bottom lashes. The mascara I am using is the Balm Scuba Water Resistant Mascara. Taking a brown eyeshadow, I'm going to create shading on the outside of our eye socket just to make it look a little deeper. And then I'm going to also shade like expressions of where our eyebrows would be. So making eyebrow bones above our eye sockets. I am just going to touch up with the contouring of the chin, bringing it up a little more. Now taking my Too Faced Glitter Gold Liquid Liner, I'm going to create dots going up, starting off small and then making them bigger along the way up. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the sides, connecting them from a certain dot, which is the same one, and then making them go outwards on the side. And they're also going to go bigger as they go more upwards towards your forehead. Taking the gold glitter liner, I'm also going to trace the outside of my nostril portion. I'm going to create 3 dots on the side of my socket, also with the glitter liner. Then with the glitter liner, just trace where the cheekbone lines are. And then after that, you just spray your face and we're done. And here is our beautiful skull look. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos. Follow me on Instagram at ICCBeauty. Everything will be listed in the description below. I will list the products that I use, and I will also list my Instagram account if you want to follow me there.